how to ship internationally on Stockx in 2024. I'm going to show you how you can ship internationally on Stockx in 2024. Begin by opening Google Chrome and searching for Stockx. Then, click the first link that appears to visit the site. Once there, click on the Login button and continue by signing in with your Google account or entering your Stockx credentials if you have them. After logging in, browse through the products and select the shoes you're interested in. Once you find a pair you like, click on the Buy Now button. Choose your size from the options provided, ensuring it's the right fit. Now, check the standard shipping option, which will provide the estimated cost and delivery time. Next, you will need to enter your shipping information, which includes your full name, country, street address, city, postal code, and phone number. Be sure to double-check this information to avoid any errors during the shipping process. Finally, review your order details. Confirm that all the information is accurate, and then place your order to complete the purchase. Your item will be shipped internationally to your designated address.